You people that has the power outages from the attack on the power grid in North Carolina and Moore County, you got a major storm coming within 10 days. A major snowstorm covering across the top part of America, all the way across. You guys need to prepare for that storm. I understand that you won't have no power, you won't have no heat, so you're going to have to try and come up with some heat. This is Tammy. Sue stuff will be mapped for Earth voice by identification card only. That storm is coming. Prepare yourself.